One thing that's perhaps a little odd, and I wanted to discuss with you, is castor oil. And I can imagine exactly what you're thinking. Wasn't that the stuff your grandma used to force feed you? Yeah. But let me explain. Castor oil has been around since the beginning of time and was used for many cool things. And today, we explore why you might want to consider taking it before bed. Hit that like and subscribe button and let's get started. But first, what is castor oil? Well, it's this thick, pale yellow oil derived from the seeds of something called the castor plant. This stuff has been made use of in traditional medicine for centuries to do a large variety of things, be it to soothe your skin or aid in digestion. Stick with me because you're going to want to hear these. Number 1, a natural laxative. Okay, let's start with one of the most important areas, your digestive health. If you've ever heard anything about castor oil, you know that it's really famous for being a natural laxative. And yeah, I'm sure laxative isn't the sexiest word out there, but just stick with me here. Anyway, the deal is that castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a sort of thing that just really jolts your intestines into moving. You get the drift? Taking castor oil the night before may do miracles if you feel, well, a little bit clogged. Just think of it this way. Castor oil gives, that slight push for your system to do what needs to be done in the night. Ready for the day, much lighter, and just better. Number 2, supports gut health. But that's not all. Castor oil is also good for your general gut health. Taking in small doses regularly would help keep things down there very smoothly and assist in regular bowel movements. That is a major deal, since that's the natural way of our body system detoxifying. Don't we want those bad toxins and all the waste products out of our system? A healthy gut is like the foundation of your overall health. It's like, literally, a chain reaction of goodness. Number 3, promotes relaxation and sound sleep. The third, and what seems to be my favorite reason, is better sleep and relaxation. So here it goes. Castor oil really isn't all about digestion, but holds some cool properties that facilitate good, well-timed sleep. You see, castor oil is full of these things called fatty acids. Now, I won't bore you with all the signs, but basically, these fatty acids help to relax the muscles and calm the nerves somewhat. It's like giving your body that little nudge it needs to just unwind. And who doesn't need that after a long day, am I right? If it is castor oil that will do the magic, then why not? Number 4, reduces insomnia. Reason number 4, reducing insomnia. Now, I know, insomnia is a nightmare, pun intended, but here's the cool part about all of this. Because castor oil aids digestion and relaxation, indirectly this means an ability to fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. But when it's not in knots and your mind isn't racing, it can be much easier to fall asleep. Some people swear by this stuff to cure their sleep troubles. They say a bit of castor oil before going to bed really turns things around. Wild stories of that sort must be taken with a pinch of salt. For sure, it cannot hurt to give it a try when looking for natural methods to help with sleeping troubles. Number 5, boosts immune system. In fact, the 5th is that it boosts your immunity. So now, based on the fact, no one loves being sick, right? Who wants to be bedridden with a box of tissues when one can go out there and live life as best as possible? Enter castor oil into healthy living. Here's the story. Castor oil is a massive anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Every time one takes it, it works towards bringing down the inflammation going on within the body. It's an immune champion. This means that when your immune system is in full force, not only do you avoid those annoying colds and flus, but you even bounce back more quickly when you finally catch something. In this way, a little castor oil goes a long way in keeping you feeling great and ready for anything. Number 6, antimicrobial effects. And then we have castor oil's antimicrobial effects. I know, antimicrobial. Sounds mega technical. Listen to me on this because it gets cool. Intrinsic properties of castor oil come into play in safeguarding the body from both bacteria and other nasty germs. It acts mainly as a natural barrier to keep internal infections away. Ingesting castor oil gives your body added strength against those bad guys that try to ruin your health. You know, the army inside that will go ahead and fight off those bad guys against a healthy life, and who doesn't want that? So if you're looking to keep your immune system in tip-top shape, castor oil might just be the easiest and most natural way to do it. Number 7, nourishes and rehydrates the skin. Okay, listen to this. Reason number 7 is about skin, and who would not want to give minuscule care to that? Alright, here goes. Castor oil is not only great for what's going on inside your body, but for your skin too. As you take the castor oil, that inner hydration will help hydrate your skin. That's right, inside out. Think of it as giving water to your skin. It's literally loaded with fatty acids that keep the skin nice and moist, ensuring that it really glows. You know that fresh, dewy look that everyone's pulling off with those very expensive creams and serums? This castor oil helps a person attain it naturally, and the best part is, it works while one is catching a few winks. At night is when your body repairs and reverses all the day's damage, so taking a bit of castor oil before bed is like giving your skin a head start on looking and feeling fabulous. Number 8, helps in hair health. The 8th reason is hair health. Whose hair would not look better and stronger if it could? Well, castor oil is useful for improving hair quality. It's rich in nutrients like vitamin E and good fatty acids that we've been discussing in this text. These nutrients can help in nourishing your hair from the inside when castor oil is taken more regularly. It's like a hair mask, but from the inside. And it's not just about making your hair look good, though that's definitely a perk. Healthier hair means less breakage, more shine, and stronger strands. So, if you're looking for a natural way to give your hair some love, a little castor oil might just be your new best friend. Plus, who doesn't want to wake up with that just left the salon vibe without actually having to leave the house? Number 9, anti-inflammatory and pain reliever. Alright, let's dive into reason number 9, and it's a biggie, reducing inflammation and pain. So here's the scoop. Castor oil isn't just good for your skin and hair, it's actually pretty amazing when it comes to dealing with inflammation too. And if you're someone who deals with joint pain or muscle aches, listen up because this could be a game changer for you. It's just basically filled to the brim with these things called anti-inflammatory properties. With that, it's going to make sure to calm inflammation of anything inside your body. Just think about inflammation, a kind of unwanted friend that shows up everywhere. He doesn't really make it better, but the castor oil just keeps that friend at bay so your joints can be happy and you can walk around much easier. Reducing the inflammation is what is so important for right now, but this truly holds a super important key toward your future joint health and mobility. Who wants to grow old and not be able to do the things they love just because their body hurts too much? And this is where castor oil comes in. Number 10, helps encourage recovery and flexibility. 10th, and not the least by any account, is enhanced recovery and flexibility. This one's for all the active people. In this world, whether you work out in the gym, go for a run, or simply live life with punches thrown at you, your poor muscles and joints go through some byproduct in the process. The good news is that castor oil will help your body bounce back much quicker. For that very reason alone, castor oil proves to be a godsend for after-workout recovery or even at the close of an ultra-long day. It sort of gives your body some necessities from the inside out. When your muscles are happy, you're feeling flexible, not as sore, and ready for anything that gets in your way. Perhaps castor oil is what it takes to maintain one's body naturally. There you have it, 10 reasons you just might want to give castor oil that bedtime shot. I mean, with these great benefits, why not? Of course, everyone's different, but make sure you check with your healthcare professional before you start, just to make sure it's the right fit for you. And if you did get something good from this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel. But I'd actually love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever used castor oil? Are you thinking about giving it a try? Just let us know in the comments. Want to know the vitamins that prevent heart attacks and strokes? Check out this video to find out.